A tornado warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for northwestern St. Joseph County. At 3:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Three Rivers, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Three Rivers and Centerville around 3:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Moore Park, Fishers Lake, Natoa, and Wasepi. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is developing. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.